In this video, I will show you how to install Magis TV on Firestick. So to get started, go ahead and open your Firestick and head over into the My Fire TV settings. Head over to the developer options and make sure that you turn on apps from unknown sources. Now after you turn this on, go ahead and head over into your dashboard and click on the search icon at the top left of your screen. Look for the downloader app on your Firestick. Make sure that it is installed on your Firestick. Click on it, and on the downloader app, go ahead and enter the code or enter the link into downloading the Magis TV file into your Firestick. Now once you have found the file, make sure that you install it on your device and delete the file on your Firestick to make sure that you have enough space for other applications. And that is how you can basically install Magis TV on your Firestick. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.